Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Betty. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I want to do this makeup look real quick before my daughter wakes up. So yes, first off, I'm going to prime my face using my Rimmel Stay Matte primer, and I'm just gonna use this primer. This primer is very good for oily skin, so if you have oily skin, you can go ahead and buy this primer because this primer is very good for oily skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and I'm going to use my brow pencil. This is in the color Black Brown. And yeah, okay, so if you hear noise at the background, I'm using my fan because I don't want my makeup to melt whilst I'm doing it. So my brows is drawn. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Magnifique Me concealer, and this is in the color 45 Tan. And I'm also going to use my Girl Pro HD conceal, and this is also in the color Warm Honey. I'm going to use this too. So I'm going to use the lighter one underneath the brows, and then this one on top of the brows, because this is much closer to my skin tone. So this is the brush that I'm going to be using. Today's look is going to be colorful, so I'm going to use this orange shade, these two in combination. I'm going to use it as the transitioning color. So I'm going to use my Vaseline to clean up with my Q-tip. I learned this from Beauty by Deb, and yeah, she said it does work magic. This is my first time trying it, guys, so let's hope it works for me. So I'm going to use my Velvet Juvia foundation, and this is in the color Gabon 300. So I like to use brush to apply this foundation because it gives me a lot of control. stay glossy lip gloss. So I'll have to charge my battery, but I'm going to do my lower lashes and then we will change into something better with my hair.